Okay, let us see another application. Show that gamma 3 by 2 minus x, gamma 3 by 2 plus x is equal to 1 by 4 minus x square into pi secant pi x. The 2x should be between minus 1 and plus 1. Let us solve this. We have gamma 3 by 2 minus x into gamma 3 by 2 plus x. 3 by 2 can be written as we know, 3 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1. So this is 1 by 2 minus x plus 1. 3 by 2 is 1 by 2 plus 1. So 1 by 2 minus x plus 1. Similarly, gamma 3 by 2 plus x is 1 by 2 plus x plus 1. So gamma n plus 1, as you know, gamma n plus 1 is n gamma n. Therefore, gamma minus 1 by 2 minus x plus 1 can be written as 1 by 2 minus x into gamma 1 by 2 minus x. In place of n, you have 1 by 2 minus x. So gamma n plus 1 is n gamma n. This is gamma 1 by 2 minus x into gamma 1 by 2 minus x. This is 1 by 2 plus x into gamma 1 by 2 plus x. In place of n, you have 1 by 2 plus x, n gamma n. Therefore, 1 by 2 plus x into gamma 1 by 2 plus x. So 1 by 2 minus x, 1 by 2 plus x, that is a minus b, a plus b, that is 1 by 4 minus x square. Multiplying these two, you get 1 by 4 minus x square, and what remained is gamma 1 by 2 minus x, gamma 1 by 2 plus x. Let us keep this gamma 1 by 2 minus x as it is, and we can write gamma 1 by 2 plus x as 1 minus 1 by 2 minus x. What is this? Simplify. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Minus of minus x is plus x. So 1 by 2 plus x can be written as 1 minus of 1 by 2 minus x. So this is gamma 1 by 2 plus x can be written as gamma 1 minus of 1 by 2 minus x. This is gamma 1 by 2 minus x, and this is gamma 1 minus of 1 by 2 minus x. We have a standard formula which is gamma n into gamma 1 minus n is equal to pi by sine n pi. This is a derivation from complex analysis. So the proof of this we don't need here. It will not be asked in the examination. So we shall make use of this standard derivation. So gamma n into gamma 1 minus n is always pi by sine n pi, this n, sine pi by sine n pi. If you have m here, gamma m into gamma 1 minus m is pi by sine m pi. If this is L, gamma L into gamma 1 minus L is pi by sine L pi. So likewise, here n 1 minus n, you have pi by sine n pi. What is here? In place of n, you have 1 by 2 minus x. This is gamma 1 by 2 minus x into gamma 1 minus of 1 by 2 minus x. In place of n, here you have 1 by 2 minus x. So by applying this formula, what you have? Pi by sine n pi. In place of n, you have 1 by 2 minus x. This is pi by sine. In place of n, 1 by 2 minus x into pi. Sine pi by sine n pi. N pi. This is n pi. N is 1 by 2 minus x into pi. So pi by sine 1 by 2 minus x into pi. So that is pi by sine pi by 2 minus pi x. This is 1 by 2 minus x into pi. Therefore that is pi by 2 minus pi x. So sine pi by 2 minus pi x, that is cos pi x. Everything is same. 1 by 2 minus x square pi by, this is cos pi x. Cos theta can be brought into numerator as secant theta. So 1 by 4 minus x square pi cos pi x, that can be written as secant pi x. In the same way, you have another simple example. Gamma 1 by 4 into gamma 3 by 4. Show it as root 2 into pi. Let us see. Gamma 1 by 4 into gamma 3 by 4. 3 by 4 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 4. Gamma 1 by 4 into gamma 1 minus 1 by 4. Gamma n into gamma 1 minus n is pi by sin n pi. In place of n, what you have here? 1 by 4. Therefore, this is pi by sin 1 by 4 pi, n pi, 1 by 4 pi, that is pi by 4. Pi by sin pi by 4, pi by, as you know, the value of pi by 4 is, sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, that is root 2 pi. So, in the similar way, you will have some more examples. Dear students, let us see one more problem, one more application on beta function. Show by means of beta function that integral t to z, the limits are t to z, these are not variables, constants. So, the t is lower limit, z is upper limit. Integral t to z dx by z minus x whole to the power of 1 minus alpha x minus t power alpha is equal to pi by sin pi alpha. Alpha is between 0 and 1. So, let us solve this problem. In the above integral, take a substitution that x minus t is equal to z minus t into y, not z minus x, z minus t into y. Okay, x minus t is substituted with z minus t into y. X is equal to t plus z minus t into y. Tx is equal to, t is constant, gets 0, z minus t is also constant, z minus t into derivative of y is dy. Here z and t are constants. So, derivative of t is 0, z minus t into y is z minus t dy. Let us see the limits. As x tends to t, that will be t minus t 0. Therefore, 0 is equal to z minus t into y, then y gets 0. So, when x tends to 0, when x tends to t, the lower limit t, as x tends to t, y tends to 0. As x tends to upper limit z, if it is z, z minus t is equal to z minus t into y. Z minus t is equal to z minus t into y means y is equal to 1. So, as x tends to z, y will be 1. So, as x tends to z, y tends to 1. When x tends to t, y tends to 0. Therefore, the limits of x t to z becomes the limits of y as 0 to 1. So, the integral value is equal to 0 to 1. In place of dx, you have z minus t into dy and z minus x. Z minus x is this. So, the entire thing is x. So, z minus t minus of z minus t into y. Z minus x becomes z minus t minus of z minus t into y. Everything whole to the power of 1 minus alpha. And x minus t power alpha, x minus t is z minus t into y. Therefore, in place of x minus t, you have z minus t into y whole to the power of alpha. So, simplify this. In the numerator, you have z minus t into dy by, this is z minus t minus of z minus t into y. Take z minus t as common factor. This is 1 z minus t and this is z minus t into y. So, if you take out z minus t as common factor, this is z minus t into 1 minus y. Here you have 1 and this is y. Z minus t minus z minus t into y. So, z minus t into 1 minus y whole to the power of 1 minus alpha. This is z minus t into y whole to the power of alpha. So, numerator will be as it is. This is a z minus t power 1 minus alpha, 1 minus y power 1 minus alpha, z minus t power alpha whole to the power of alpha and y power alpha. So separating z minus t whole to the power of 1 minus alpha, 1 minus y whole to the power of 1 minus alpha, z minus t whole to the power of alpha, y to the power of alpha. So simplifying, this is z minus t power 1, z minus t power 1 minus alpha, z minus t power alpha, 1 minus alpha plus alpha. What you will have? Z minus t power 1 minus alpha plus alpha. That becomes z minus t in the denominator, and in the numerator you have z minus t already. So in the denominator you have z minus t, in the numerator you have z minus t. So z minus t gets cancelled. What remains is, in the numerator you have dy, and you have 1 minus y whole to the power of 1 minus alpha, and all this gone, y power alpha, dy by 1 minus y power 1 minus alpha, y power alpha. So let us bring these two terms into numerator. Integral 0 to 1, y power alpha is, as it comes to the numerator, y power alpha is y power minus alpha. This is 1 minus y whole to the power of 1 minus alpha. If comes into numerator, that will be alpha minus 1, 1 minus y whole to the power of alpha minus 1 dy. So comparing with the standard beta function, you should have something minus 1. So I rearrange this integral as 0 to 1 y power 1 minus alpha minus 1. 1 minus alpha minus 1 is nothing but 1 gets cancelled, y power minus alpha. So y power of minus alpha can be written as y power 1 minus alpha minus 1. This is 1 minus y whole to the power of alpha minus 1. You need not rewrite into dy. So comparing with the standard beta function, in place of L you have 1 minus alpha, in place of M you have alpha. So this is beta 1 minus alpha, alpha. This is beta Lm, in place of L 1 minus alpha, in place of M you have alpha. Therefore this is beta 1 minus alpha, alpha. Beta Lm can be written as gamma L into gamma n by gamma L plus M. So this is gamma 1 minus alpha, gamma alpha by gamma 1 minus alpha plus alpha. 1 minus alpha plus alpha is gamma 1. Gamma value of gamma 1 is 1 again. And gamma alpha into gamma 1 minus alpha by 1, and by standard complex analysis, standard derivation, gamma n into gamma n minus n is 1 minus n is gamma sine n pi. So in place of n you have alpha. Gamma alpha into gamma 1 minus alpha is pi by sine pi alpha. So that is what we require. So this is a important problem asked sometimes. So both read thoroughly. I have given the notes of it also.